very informal system. It's not finished, and I'm probably not going to work on it before we get the winter and the snow. This is my rainwater catchment system. I am using just a portion of the roof. I have my snow blockers up there, so hopefully I won't rip this gutter off, because I installed that gutter in this last season and it has not yet seen snowfall, so there's a chance that with sliding off it might just rip the gutter right down, but hopefully that'll prevent that a bit. That system is going to feed from that spout nozzle. I'm going to go into the house and have a holding tank inside. So one of the biggest challenges I'm going to have is making sure that doesn't freeze in the winter. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to achieve that. I've got a few ideas along the lines of having a well-insulated box it sits in, ideas along the lines of a solar-powered fountain just to create movement and a current basically inside the holding tank. I'm not sure if that'll work or not, but it's an idea I think I might test out. Also, an extreme system might be like a wood fire heating element that runs through the holding tank, but that would be more of a melting process than a preventative process in stopping the freeze. If you guys have better ideas, let me know, comment. I'm curious to know what you might have tried or ideas of ways to keep a holding tank inside a cabin that will get down very low below freezing for weeks at a time, how I might be able to keep that from freezing. The other portion of this is just making sure everything's watertight, no leaks, because I'll just go into the house, I'll just seal up that penetration, basically just use a hose from that nozzle inside to the holding tank, and this is all very much calculated on height so that that nozzle will just be a few inches above the entrance to the holding tank, which will end up having a few feet off the floor of the bottom spigot so we can fill whatever containers inside the cabin that we need to. Very much a work in progress, but we'll get that done next season, and I'll start seeing if we can, at least for our recreational use of the cabin, live off our own rainwater collection. Stay tuned and subscribe for future updates.